Hi guys, it's Chas with TPC, Top Picks with Chas, and today I have another Amazon review for you. So I will be unboxing a wig that I purchased from Amazon. Let's see what we got here. Okay, I'm not sure which one this is. I purchased multiple wigs, so we're gonna check it out. So it comes in this nice, beautiful little pink bag, a little wig bag. I'm going to open it up now. Okay. Okay, this is the balayage wig. I believe it's like 1B30. It comes with a wig cap. That's always wonderful. This face. That's too funny. Okay, look at there. So I'm going to take the net off. Ooh. And this is supposed to be like 220 density, and it is thick. It is a nice wig. And this is a glueless wig. Glueless wig. I think it's 6x5. It comes with the strap that's on the inside. I would have to put the strap in. Wow, this is a beautiful wig. And I believe it's like 26 inches. Look at these curls. It's a body wig, I must say. Get into this wig. Look at the color. It's so gorgeous. Definitely recommend this wig. It's a great wig. I haven't even put it on yet. I'll do another video showing you the product on me, but this unboxing is great. I absolutely love this wig. It feels so good, guys. I wish you could feel it. But yeah, definitely recommend get you one. Hi guys, it's Chas with TPC, Top Picks with Chas, and today I have another Amazon review for you. So check this out. We're going to get into this wig because we need to get into this wig. Can y'all see this wig? Okay, don't play with me. Okay, so this wig, I did the unboxing. I showed you. I loved it out the box. It was a body wave. It looked really pretty and thick and natural. It's a glueless wig, 6x5. And when I tell you this was the easiest wig I've ever placed on my head, I literally took it out the bag and placed it on my head. And then just kind of straightened it a little bit. I didn't even straighten it like bone straight. I just straightened out, you know, some of the curls or whatever. And this is what it came to. This is the, oh my God. This wig is beautiful, guys. So, let's get into this wig. So, Mega Look. If you have not heard about this seller on Amazon, you have to go to their page. They have the greatest products. I have like a couple of other wigs from them that I purchased a couple of years ago. I almost forgot about them until I got this wig. I'm like, oh, it's Mega Look all day, all night. Okay, this wig is beautiful. And what I love about it is you can just put it right on your head. Literally, it has a strap. And the strap is kind of like at the top of the wig. So it, you know, kind of holds this top. Like this top is not going anywhere. Okay. So yes, you can wear this wig anywhere. You can wear it to the pool. You can wear it to the beach. Wherever you go, this wig is going with you. It is not going anywhere. So I definitely recommend this wig. You have to run, don't walk, and get you one.